Welcome to today's webinar. I'm Tim Stewart from Visual Decisions, and I've spent decades helping companies transform their operations using lean manufacturing and cutting-edge digital tools. Over the next 20 or so minutes, we'll explore how to maximize the value from your smart manufacturing initiative by embracing digital operational excellence and how you can create a more agile, efficient, and resilient operation. Let's get started. This webinar is designed to help attendees understand digital operational excellence, recognize why OpEx is critical for digital transformation success, maximize the value of digital transformation through operational excellence, improve the flexibility and probability of digital transformation success, and by the end of the webinar, participants will have a clear understanding of how to blend operational excellence with digital transformation efforts to maximize value, reduce risk, and ensure sustainable success. As shown in this study by Deloitte, most smart manufacturing projects stall prior to fully realizing the expected benefits. In fact, across all studies, there's a range of anywhere from a 70 to a 95% risk of not fully realizing the anticipated benefits from smart manufacturing. When those studies delve into the reasons why, they find that most of the causes are not the technology. Usually, there's either a lack of buy-in and adoption from the people, or a failure to adjust the processes to take advantage of the new capabilities provided by the smart manufacturing solutions. This makes a lot of sense. Look at another IoT example in a different space. I've been wearing a Fitbit for many years, and honestly, it hasn't helped me lose any weight. It's a great IoT device. It has advanced sensors, pushes that information to the cloud, uses AI to transform those raw signals into footsteps and heartbeats and sleeping patterns. But I haven't done the work to change my behavior. I haven't incorporated that information into my daily activities. And so therefore, I haven't lost any of the weight. And it's the same thing on the shop floor. When you look at these different technologies, if the people on the shop floor don't change what they do on a day-to-day basis, if you don't fundamentally build new habits for people using the data from these smart manufacturing systems, you're not going to lose the waste on the shop floor either. And so let's take a look at what we can do about that. One of the most frequent challenges that organizations face when pursuing digital transformation is an overemphasis on the technology without proper alignment to the operational processes. Companies often rush to adopt advanced digital tools without first addressing the underlying inefficiencies. While technology can deliver significant benefits, this technology-first approach frequently overlooks critical operational issues like process bottlenecks and workflow inefficiencies, resulting in unmet expectations. You can start with an overemphasis on technology without aligning the operational processes. A common pitfall is adopting a technology-first mindset rather than focusing on the operational improvements. Organizations often invest in AI, IoT, or automation tools with the expectation that these technologies alone will drive efficiency. However, when digital solutions are layered on top of inefficient processes, they may only amplify the existing problems rather than resolve them. Without addressing the fundamental inefficiencies first, technology investments often fail to deliver their full potential. There could also be misalignment with core operational processes. So for digital transformation to be successful, it must integrate seamlessly with the organization's core processes. When digital solutions are implemented without optimizing existing workflows, they can create unnecessary complexity rather than streamlining the operations. Many companies digitize broken processes instead of redesigning them for efficiency, which limits the impact of the digital tools and reduces the overall effectiveness. And then digital transformation isn't just about technology, it's also about people. Employees are often resistant to digital initiatives when they feel uncertain about how these changes are going to impact their roles. Failure to actively engage teams in the transformation process can lead to slow adoption and pushback. Additionally, when organizations lack clarity in communicating the benefits of digital initiatives at that operational level, employees may view them as disruptions rather than the enablers of efficiency. Creating that culture that embraces digital transformation requires clear communication, training, and a strong connection to the operational improvements. By addressing these challenges and ensuring that digital initiatives are aligned with operational excellence principles, organizations can set themselves up for sustained success. A strong OpEx foundation helps organizations reduce the risks associated with digital transformation. By identifying inefficiencies and optimizing processes before digitization, businesses can prevent common pitfalls such as the automation of ineffective workflows, misalignment between technology and operational goals, and resistance from employees. With the principles in place, organizations can ensure that digital initiatives support business objectives rather than disrupting the existing operations, reduce the implementation risks by applying Lean and Six Sigma methodologies to eliminate waste and inefficiencies before deploying technology, and foster a culture of continuous improvement where employees are engaged and motivated to adopt digital solutions. Digital transformation is more than just implementing technology. It requires a strategic approach that aligns digital initiatives with operational excellence principles. Digital operational excellence, or digital OpEx, is the fusion of time-tested process improvement methodologies with advanced digital tools, ensuring that organizations maximize value from their digital investments. Digital OpEx integrates methodologies such as Lean, Six Sigma, continuous improvement with digital technologies like IoT, AI, and automation. This approach ensures that digital transformation efforts are rooted in strong operational foundations rather than being driven solely by technology adoption. Unlike conventional digital initiatives that often focus on standalone tools or software implementations, digital OpEx emphasizes optimizing processes first before applying the digital solutions. This structured approach prevents inefficiencies from being digitized and ensures that technology enhances rather than complicates daily operations. By embedding digital capabilities within an OpEx-driven framework, organizations can improve the operational agility by leveraging that real-time data and analytics, ensure that digital investments lead to sustainable and measurable improvements, and foster a culture where technology enables problem solving and continuous enhancement. While many companies approach digital transformation as a technology-driven initiative, digital OpEx takes a fundamentally different approach. Traditional digital initiatives often prioritize the technology adoption without fully considering the operational impact. This can lead to inefficiencies being digitized rather than eliminated. Digital OpEx ensures that digital tools are applied strategically to enhance and streamline operations. Instead of simply layering new technologies onto existing workflows, organizations use digital OpEx to identify inefficiencies before digital implementation, ensuring that technology adds value rather than complexity. We align digital transformation efforts with structured OpEx methodologies, leading to much better results and sustained improvements, and drive long-term operational efficiency by using digital insights to inform continuous improvement initiatives. Organizations that rely solely on digital tools without an operational excellence framework often struggle to achieve that sustained success. Digital OpEx bridges that gap between digital transformation and real-world operational impact. So the true power of digital operational excellence lies in the synergy between operational discipline and digital innovation. While the digital tools provide unprecedented access to data, automation, and connectivity, it is operational excellence that ensures these capabilities are harnessed effectively. By combining OpEx with digital innovation, organizations can use real-time digital insights to drive continuous improvement cycles, create feedback loops that connect digital performance metrics with operational adjustments, improve decision-making through AI-powered analytics while maintaining structured problem-solving methodologies. This integration allows companies to transform their operations dynamically, adapting to new challenges while sustaining efficiency gains over time. Instead of treating digital transformation as a disruptive force, digital OpEx positions it as an evolution that sustains and enhances stability, agility, and competitive advantage. Organizations that embark on digital transformation often focus on implementing cutting-edge technologies, yet many fail to realize the full potential of their investments. The key to unlocking the maximum value lies in integrating the OpEx with the digital tools, ensuring that technology serves as a true enabler of efficiency, agility, and long-term growth. Before adopting digital solutions, organizations must first establish a stable and standardized operational foundation. Implementing technology without addressing inconsistencies in processes can lead to the great inefficiencies being digitized rather than eliminated. Standardization ensures that digital tools are applied consistently, driving predictable and reliable outcomes. Without this groundwork, digital transformation efforts can introduce complexity rather than simplification. Lean and Six Sigma methodologies provide a structured approach to identifying and eliminating waste, reducing variability, and improving overall process efficiency. By applying these principles before digital implementation, organizations can ensure that digital tools enhance already optimized workflows rather than attempting to fix broken ones. This proactive approach minimizes errors, accelerates production cycles, and enhances the overall effectiveness of digital initiatives. And reliable data is the foundation of any successful digital transformation. Without accurate, high-quality data, digital tools such as analytics, AI, and automation cannot provide meaningful insights. Establishing strong data governance, validating data sources, and integrating real-time data collection methods ensure that the digital solutions operate effectively. Companies that prioritize digital data integrity before digital deployment gain better visibility into operations, make more informed decisions, and drive continuous improvements with confidence. By preparing the operational environment through process standardization, Lean and Six Sigma methodologies, and strong data integrity, organizations set themselves up for success. This structured approach ensures that digital transformation efforts are not only effective, but also sustainable in the long run. Real-time data collection and analytics empower organizations to make proactive, data-driven decisions that optimize performance. Rather than relying on retrospective reports, companies can monitor key performance indicators in real time, allowing for immediate course corrections. By leveraging data visualization dashboards and AI-powered analytics, businesses gain a deeper understanding of production trends, bottlenecks, and improvement opportunities. One of the biggest advantages of digital transformation is the ability to detect inefficiencies before they escalate into major issues. Advanced digital tools such as IoT sensors, machine learning models, and predictive analytics can pinpoint anomalies in the production process, energy consumption, or equipment performance. This proactive approach allows organizations to reduce downtime, optimize resource allocation, and maintain higher levels of productivity. And then automation also plays a key role in sustaining continuous improvement efforts by standardizing repetitive tasks and eliminating manual errors. Whether through robotic process automation in administrative workflows or automated quality control on a shop floor, automation ensures consistency, precision, and efficiency. Additionally, integrating automation with real-time process monitoring systems creates a feedback loop that continuously refines and enhances operational processes. By harnessing the real-time data, predictive analytics, and automation, organizations can create a culture of continuous improvement where digital insights drive ongoing enhancements in efficiency, quality, and decision making. And then creating sustainable operational improvements over time. How do you build a culture that integrates digital solutions into daily operations? For digital transformation to be truly effective, it must become an inherent part of the daily operations. Organizations must foster a culture that embraces digital tools as enablers of efficiency rather than as standalone projects. This requires clear communication, employee training, and leadership commitment to integrating digital solutions into standard workflows. Digital solutions must provide unprecedented transparency into operational performance. By leveraging those real-time dashboards and automated reporting and performance tracking tools, organizations can reinforce accountability at all levels. When employees have clear visibility into key metrics and performance expectations, they're more likely to take advantage and take ownership of their roles and drive continuous improvement efforts. Sustained improvement requires continuous monitoring, analysis, and refinement. By establishing structured feedback loops, organizations can ensure that digital transformation remains aligned with OpEx principles. This means regularly assessing performance metrics, gathering insights from frontline employees, and adapting digital strategies to evolving business needs. By embedding the digital tools within an OpEx framework, organizations create a self-sustaining cycle of improvement where OpEx drives digital success and digital insights further refine operational strategies. So, operational excellence, or OpEx, reduces the digital transformation risks by aligning technology initiatives with business goals. Many digital efforts fail due to poor alignment, but integrating OpEx ensures that digital tools support rather than disrupt core operations. Methodologies like Lean and Six Sigma help identify and address inefficiencies early, lowering the implementation risks and building a solid foundation for transformation. OpEx also promotes data-driven decision-making, turning digital transformation into a continuous improvement journey rather than a one-time event. Digital transformation requires adaptability, and OpEx fosters that culture of continuous learning and iterative improvement. This encourages employees to embrace and integrate new technologies into their workflows. Embedding digital tools into everyday processes, along with user-friendly design, training, and leadership support, accelerates adoption. OpEx also reduces resistance by linking digital tools to clear operational benefits, such as simplifying tasks and improving efficiency. By applying OpEx principles, organizations can increase agility, drive engagement, and improve the success of digital transformation. Integrating OpEx with digital transformation is essential to long-term success. Throughout this discussion, we've explored why organizations that fail to align digital initiatives with OpEx principles often struggle to achieve meaningful results. By leveraging structured methodologies, businesses can ensure that digital tools drive real operational improvements rather than becoming standalone technology investments. Key takeaways include the fact that operational excellence is the foundation for digital success. Without process standardization and efficiency improvements, digital initiatives often fail to deliver the expected value. Aligning digital transformation with OpEx reduces risks and it maximizes the return on investment. Structured methodologies such as Lean and Six Sigma help to mitigate potential failures by identifying inefficiencies before digital adoption. And sustaining success requires continuous improvement. Digital transformation is an ongoing journey, and businesses must refine their strategies based on that real-time performance insight. By embedding these principles into digital strategies, organizations can create an environment where technology serves as an enabler rather than an obstacle. For digital transformation to be sustainable, organizations must embed it into an ongoing process rather than a one-time project. We strongly believe that the combination of digital plus OpEx is the best way to maximize the value you receive from your digital investments. Let's connect. If you'd like to learn more about how to drive value in your organization, please contact me for more details through any of the methods on the screen. The QR code will take you to the Visual Decisions website for more information. Thank you again, and sorry that I've got a cold and don't have my normal energy for the presentation today, but I appreciate you listening. Thank you again, and we look forward to seeing you in future sessions.